Every piece begins here, in its most primitive state. Untreated animal bones,
Exposed to sun and wind, the bones dry naturally, hardening over time as moisture fades and organic residue breaks down. Over months, erosion and weather concentrate the remains, forming dense deposits of raw bone, ready for large-scale collection. These vast fields hold thousands of kilograms of calcium-rich material, an abundant natural resource formed entirely by time. Untouched and unprocessed, this is the absolute origin, the raw biological material before any industrial transformation begins.
heavy collection vehicles arrive on site, beginning large-scale extraction as thousands of kilograms are gathered for transport. Powerful hydraulic loaders scoop the bones in bulk, moving tons at a time with the efficiency of mining equipment.
Collected bones are transferred into high-capacity trucks, each load weighing several tons for efficient industrial transport. Loaded convoys move continuously, transporting the raw bones in bulk towards centralized facilities built for large-scale processing. The material reaches a mega-scale processing complex, where controlled industrial systems will begin transforming the raw resource. At the intake bay, entire truckloads are discharged at once, feeding tons of raw bone into the primary receiving hoppers. Wide primary conveyors engage, transporting the raw bones in a continuous stream toward the first stage of mechanical preparation. Inside the rotating drum, the bones tumble aggressively, shedding dirt and loose contaminants before deeper industrial cleaning begins. High-frequency screens separate fine debris and fragments, grading the bones by size for consistent, controlled downstream processing.
Pressurized hot water blasts every surface, stripping away residue and biological matter to prepare the bones for sterilization.
Superheated steam sterilizes the load under pressure, eliminating bacteria and organic hazards across every kilogram simultaneously. After sterilization, the disinfected bones are automatically discharged, transferred in bulk for controlled moisture removal. High-capacity dryers circulate heated air continuously, removing moisture at scale to stabilize the bones for mechanical processing.
Fully dried material advances to primary reduction, where large bones are prepared for controlled size breakdown.
Massive hydraulic jaws crush the bones into coarse fragments, reducing bulk size for efficient downstream grinding and refinement. High-speed hammer mills pulverize the fragments further, breaking them down into uniform granules suitable for precise industrial refinement.
Enclosed auger conveyors transfer the granulated bone efficiently, maintaining steady flow while preventing loss and airborne contamination.
Layered classifiers sort the crushed material by precise size, ensuring consistent particle grades for the next processing stage.
Inside the ball mill, rotating grinding media pulverize the granules further, producing an increasingly fine and uniform bone powder. Air-driven cyclones separate powder by weight, isolating fine particles while returning heavier material for further grinding.
Large-scale ribbon mixers homogenize the powder thoroughly, creating a consistent base material required for high-precision manufacturing.
Powerful magnetic separators extract stray metal contaminants, ensuring the refined bone powder remains pure for premium-grade applications. Pneumatic lines move the lightweight powder rapidly across the plant, enabling continuous, sealed transport between large-scale processing stations. Temporary storage silos hold massive volumes of refined powder, stabilizing flow and ensuring uninterrupted supply for downstream processing. Precision feeders meter the powder accurately, regulating mass flow so every downstream process receives consistent, controlled input. Inside the rotary kiln, controlled high temperatures remove remaining organics, strengthening the mineral structure through large-scale thermal treatment. Rapid air cooling stabilizes the calcined mineral, lowering temperature quickly to preserve structure and prepare for precision refinement. Vertical roller mills compress the mineral under extreme pressure, refining it into ultrafine powder required for high-end material applications. Air classifiers separate particles by microscopic size, allowing only the finest powder to continue toward advanced refinement stages. Computer-controlled batching systems dispense exact quantities, ensuring every mixture meets strict consistency standards at massive industrial scale.
High-capacity mixers combine refined bone powder with binders, forming a dense, workable composite ready for precision forming processes.
Twin-screw presses remove excess moisture, compressing the mixture into dense, stable material suitable for controlled shaping and forming. Granulators cut the compressed material into uniform pellets, creating consistent feedstock for precise molding and forming operations. Vertical bucket elevators raise the pellets efficiently, transferring bulk material upward for the next automated forming stage. Controlled preheating softens the pellets evenly, preparing the composite for efficient molding under high pressure and temperature. Preheated feedstock enters heavy compression presses, where immense hydraulic force will shape the material into dense, workable forms.
Under extreme pressure and heat, the composite consolidates, fusing into solid, dense blocks with uniform internal strength.
Automated handlers remove the compacted blocks, transferring the dense material continuously toward precision cutting and shaping systems. Industrial bandsaws section the solid blocks into precise slabs, creating standardized forms for detailed downstream shaping.
Calibration planers machine both surfaces precisely, producing consistent thickness and perfectly flat faces required for high-precision fabrication.
Secondary curing applies controlled heat, stabilizing internal bonds and strengthening each slab for precise machining and finishing. CNC mills cut the slabs into precise blanks, shaping consistent base pieces that will later become refined jewelry components.
High-speed abrasives soften edges uniformly, removing sharp corners and preparing each piece for detailed surface refinement.
Continuous tumbling polishers smooth the surfaces evenly, refining texture and enhancing the natural luster of the bone composite.
Automated vision systems inspect each piece, detecting flaws instantly and ensuring only perfectly formed material advances forward. Detected defects are removed automatically, and imperfect pieces are diverted for immediate recycling to maintain zero material waste.
Recycled pieces are crushed again into fragments, re-entering the process so every kilogram is fully utilized without loss.
Diamond wire saws slice the refined material into uniform rods and plates, forming the standardized stock for jewelry fabrication. Double-sided grinders refine thickness to tight tolerances, producing perfectly flat stock essential for accurate jewelry component machining. Computer-guided lasers cut exact profiles, transforming raw stock into precise component shapes with minimal waste and maximum accuracy.
High-speed robotic sorters classify each cut component instantly, organizing forms for specialized machining and finishing operations.
Automated microdrills create exact holes and channels, enabling threading and assembly while maintaining strict dimensional accuracy.
Multi-axis milling stations sculpt detailed geometry, forming the refined contours that define each premium jewelry component. Ultrasonic baths remove microscopic debris, using high-frequency vibration to clean every surface and prepare parts for finishing.
Controlled drying and whitening enhance the natural tone, producing a bright, uniform surface demanded by luxury-grade applications.
Heavy-duty ring lathes bore and turn each rod automatically, producing thousands of perfectly circular jewelry bands every hour.
Automated bead lathes carve continuous rods into precise spheres, mass-producing perfectly uniform beads with consistent diameter and balance. Multi-head routers mill detailed pendant shapes from each plate, producing thousands of identical blanks with exact industrial precision. Precision drilling systems create exact threading holes, enabling assembly while maintaining tight tolerances across every jewelry component.
Large-scale tumbling polishers smooth every edge simultaneously, refining surfaces and developing a uniform. High-speed buffing wheels enhance the finish further, bringing out a smooth gloss that defines the premium look of luxury jewelry.
Precision engraving heads carve intricate surface details, adding decorative textures that elevate each piece to high-end luxury standards.
Machine vision systems inspect every component, automatically grading color and finish to ensure only premium quality pieces advance.
Each piece is calibrated to exact dimensions, with automated gauges and micro-adjustments ensuring flawless sizing consistency at industrial scale. With shaping, polishing, and calibration complete, the jewelry components are assembled and organized, ready for advanced refinement and finishing. Ultra-fine polishing enhances the surface one final time, creating the smooth, porcelain-grade finish required for luxury jewelry standards. Automated stringing systems assemble individual beads into finished strands, producing complete necklaces and bracelets in continuous high-volume runs. Industrial mounting presses attach clasps and fittings, converting raw pendants into fully wearable luxury jewelry components. Contour sanding stations refine every ring's profile, perfecting comfort, symmetry, and tactile smoothness to meet luxury wear standards. Controlled conditioning chambers stabilize color and enhance the natural ivory tone, ensuring uniform brightness across every luxury piece. Precision laser systems engrave permanent branding and traceability marks, certifying each item as a genuine luxury-grade product. A thin protective coating is applied evenly, sealing the surface and enhancing longevity, while preserving the bone's natural luster. Controlled airflow cures the protective layer, hardening the finish, and locking in a durable, high-gloss surface across every piece. Ultrasonic baths remove the final microscopic residues, ensuring every surface is perfectly clean before final inspection and testing. High-velocity filtered air dries each piece completely, preparing the jewelry for precise inspection and final quality verification. Advanced optical systems examine every surface at microscopic scale, automatically removing any piece that fails strict luxury-grade standards.
Each item undergoes precise dimensional and strength testing, verifying exact size, balance, and structural integrity before approval.
Automated stress systems simulate long-term use, ensuring every connection and component withstands real-world wear without failure. A final precision wipe removes any remaining marks, delivering a flawless, showroom-grade finish expected from premium luxury jewelry. After comprehensive inspection and finishing, only flawless pieces receive final approval, ready to enter premium packaging and global distribution. Proved pieces enter automated packaging lines, where precision systems prepare premium cases designed to protect and present each item elegantly. Certificates, branded inserts, and signature detailing complete the presentation, transforming each package into a refined luxury product experience. Each package is securely sealed and protected, preserving its pristine condition from factory floor to final customer delivery. Unique serial codes and tracking labels are applied and verified, enabling complete traceability for every luxury item across the global supply chain.
Packages are organized into protective shipping cartons, carefully grouped and cushioned to ensure safe transport at scale.
Automated palletizing systems stack and secure shipments efficiently, preparing thousands of luxury packages for large-scale storage and distribution. In the automated warehouse, intelligent systems organize and store every shipment, managing inventory with precision and efficiency at massive scale. Smart routing systems sort and assemble orders by destination, directing each shipment quickly and accurately toward its global route. At the loading docks, shipments transfer seamlessly from warehouse systems to outbound transport, ready to begin their journey to markets worldwide.
With orders secured and dispatched, the finished jewelry leaves the factory, beginning its journey
From the factory gates, coordinated ground transport networks carry thousands of luxury packages swiftly across cities and regions. For large-volume international orders, sea freight provides efficient and secure transport across continents, delivering scale with reliability. Across continents, shipments arrive at boutiques and showrooms, where craftsmanship meets customers and every piece finds its place. From raw material to refined luxury, precision, care, and innovation shape every detail. Crafted at scale, perfected for you.